Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Somebody's taken this turtle and they've shown me some examples of different colors, and they got to do a lot of them, and they want them all to be, I'm going to get back to my regular pick tool. This is all grouped together. So if you fill it in, it's going to be all the same color, but if you want the fins and head to be a different color, what I would do in this case, this thing is less than 5 inches. We're going to set our nudge factor for 5. I am going to, first of all, I'm going to ungroup everything. So, whoop, had the fill tool. I'm going to go ungroup, and then I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool, and I'm going to fill in that head, fill in that, fill in that, fill in that, fill in that, fill in that. You know, really, it'd probably be better not to fill them. Let's back up here. I just thought about, because this is ungrouped, we can nudge these out of the way. That's what we want to do. Nudge these out of the way. And now we can group these, Control G. She was filling them all with the Smart Fill tool. So now we can go Control G. Now I'm going to move these back. So if I hit the head, I can make him green. You know what? I must not have got that leg in there, Control G. If I hit it now with the green, I'm going to make them all green. If I get the shell, and I'm going to make the shells blue, of course, I would want to take away the outline. Anyway, that's one way to do it. But, I mean, then you could make your copy and then make the next one red if you wanted, in purple body parts. So all you have to do is do a couple of clicks, but I would separate them and put them into groups. Anyway, I hope that answered her question, and thank you for watching.